are alone? Do you find it hard to find loved ones around you? Do you feel isolated? If yes, then watch this video till the end. Namaste, I'm Rakhi Roy Hardar, college teacher, a writer, a life skill coach, believer in quantum and universal energy, nature lover. I'm in a mission to help working professionals of 20 to 40 years age group facing stress due to low self-esteem, low productivity, and life dissatisfaction. As mind is the hub of stress, so I help people gain peace of mind by the concepts and the tools of quantum science and Eastern philosophy. I believe universe is always with us. Today, I'm going to share a secret about how to feel connected with each atom of the universe. Getting too much conscious about our own physical identity gives rise to the lack of connectedness with others, and the problem of stagnant self arises. And you can compare this state with the situation of stagnant water. This crisis demands connectivity with the rest of the world. This world belongs to man, animal, bird, even non-living things. Everything in this universe is made of atom. So are we. Energy is at the base of everything that exists. Energy makes the quantum particles combine to form atoms and then matter and then all the things that are visible to us. So, at the base of all, there is energy. At the base of us, there is energy. Tell yourself to find some activities to get connected with the animal kingdom and the bird kingdom. Guide yourself to visualize every person, bird, animal, material, and incidences from energy level, and try to find some similarities between them and you. Feel that all of us exist together as a part of the universe. Not only that, at the beginning of the universe, there was only one energy field, and that was primary field. All the energy forms we know now are emerged from that primary field. The most surprising point is, at the deeper level of the universe, that is microscopic level of the universe, this field still exists. As fabric of time-space is also present at this level, the electromagnetic energy of our thoughts and desires can touch the strings of space-time fabric to give birth to quantum particles that can bring new reality in our life by taking shape of atom and then matter. So, feel connected to everything in this universe and gain energy from connectedness. This is also a secret to drive out loneliness. Say to yourself, in every atom I reside. This is the heading of one of my poems of my book, Secrets of Creation. I wrote this book to make the secrets of creation perceivable to all and to make my readers realize the influence of these secrets in daily life. To know more about the quantum world, join my VIP Facebook group. You can also book free 30 minutes one-to-one session with me. The links are given in description. Like, share and subscribe my channel for updates.